Hello and welcome back to Naturally Miss Kris. Today I'll be showing you guys how we made these Flamin Hot Chicken Wings. Stay tuned. First off, I'm starting with chicken wing that has already been washed and seasoned. Make sure you always wash your meat before cooking, but I'm pretty sure you guys already know that. So my kids have been asking me to make this for them for a couple weeks now, but I've always said no. So they kept bugging me until I finally gave in. Okay, so the camera is gonna be kind of jumpy because I'm holding it in my hand while I am cooking, and that's because I broken my tripod. I didn't season my meat as much because I didn't really know what to expect from the Flamin Hot chips. I didn't know how everything would taste together. So when you're doing this, keep in mind, do not add as much seasoning as you usually would. You just repeat the process over and over until you're done with all your wings. For my last pieces of chicken wings, I decided to try using the Cheeto Puffs instead of the Flamin Hot chips, because I was like, you know what, I haven't seen anyone try it like this. So I was like, well, I'm gonna try it and see how it tastes. This is the results of the Cheeto Puff Chicken Wings, and I have to admit that it was pretty good, but not as good as the Flamin Hot Chicken Wings. My kids, they loved it a lot more than I did. It actually made my stomach upset afterwards. If you enjoyed or learned anything from this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Now is the time to go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And click on the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.